What up, chat? I'm back again. So today's video, I want to be talking about this paper stuff, paper stuff. Good. So recently, I've heard that people have actually come to Nigeria. So and I haven't tried it out. So I decided to okay, let me come to try it out. So recently, I tried it out but I tried it out with my old PayPal account that I have not used to be withdrawing money. So I'll be having difficulties on how to do the verification. So I said, let me bring it to my chat, guys. Let me know your thoughts about this paper in Nigeria so that you guys can like communicate on talk about it so I can know those of you that actually use it to withdraw or use it that's actually verified because they say that you have to like create the account, then link it to Pega. Then after linking it to Pega, you verify do all of those stuff. So guys, I actually tried mine, but man, I think because it was the account, the whether it's because paper it was old paper account, I don't know, so something like that. So I say like let me bring it to you guys and you should tell me what you think about this Nigeria paper. Have any of you guys withdraw from it recently, or have you guys verified your own? So just share your experience down the comment section and tell me send me a few. I talk your idea what you feel about this people in Nigeria. So in my next video, I'll be talking about. I'll be trying out how to create another one, and bringing out showing my thoughts on how I went through. Guys, so I'll be showing my thoughts on how the process works. So I just want to like do this video so that I can know those that actually with this Nigeria paper account. So, but I will see other mentors, other influencers doing video that actually it is working well in Nigeria. So, but for me, I haven't used it to try any. I haven't used it to try any withdraw of any payment or use it to do all of those stuff. Get so I'll be trying it out recently. So just let me just sort out some things, and I believe in my next video I'll be bringing my ideas about this stuff and showing you guys what I go through. Yeah, so without when doing that, I just want you guys to like share your thoughts in the video. Have you guys uh hello shout. Yeah, welcome once again. So guys, uh I was saying something about this I was saying something about the paper. So I will try to create another one and know how the I will try to understand the process. Try to understand the process. Get so you guys to share your thoughts. Have any of you guys try creating accounts with the Pega and do all of those stuff? Did it work out well for you guys? So that is all I want to know because it's not something because I'm still hearing that some people like few I'm hearing some like message like some people saying that it does not actually work like that. If you create account, they're actually going to ban it, stuff like that. So I don't actually know the real one that is truth. Get. But for me, I try linking my Pega to my old paper account. So it linked, but the verification process, it was still asking me to verify my verification, my ID verification, though, so which I tried to upload my card and all of those stuff, but still does not work. So you guys should share your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think about this paper stuff in Nigeria. Does any of you have any of you use it to withdraw, place a withdraw payment, all those stuff before? So just share your thoughts in the comment section, and please do not forget to like, share, and sub. So that in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 apps which are using to be earning this for some while now. So stay tuned to my channel. Peace out.